It is Tuesday today. That means that tomorrow we fly back to Manila. But as you maybe can see in the background, we are still in the middle of nowhere. We plan today to go back to Puerto Princesa to stay there one night. And then tomorrow, very easy to go to the airport and fly back to Manila. But since we had a very exciting day yesterday,
we lost the key of my motorbike.
well, actually I lost the key of my motorbike. So I'm kind of confident that the key will turn up somewhere. But to be honest, I start to get a little bit anxious. So we just made a short break and we still haven't found the key, which is not very nice, but I think probably the key is somewhere there in the mountains. Although it doesn't seem to be very probable that we'll find it. We'll just walk along the paths again and hope that we will find it soon. Keep you posted. This is not going to work out very well. That means now I'm going to the beach because this is the only place here where you have cell phone signal. Then I'm going to call the company again, Rent-a-Bike. They will organize the spare key. They will send it to a city maybe 1.5 hours from here. And then I have to pick it up with the motorbike that is left. Afterwards, I have to come back here. We have to pack our things together, go together to the next village where we park the motorbike, maybe half an hour from here. And from there we can start going back to Puerto Princesa, which may probably take about 4 to 5 hours. Then we do have a time issue and we will arrive in Puerto Princesa at night. Hello, this is Toby. Maybe at 12 o'clock it will arrive in Tai Tai? Okay, so where do I wait in Tai Tai? Thank you, Po.
Do you want gun?
Huh?
Do you want buy land yet?
Oh no, we are foreigners, we can buy land. We are just traveling around here.
Okay, mag-asawa ka ng Pilipino.
May asawa na.
May asawa ka na.
Oh, may asawa na ako. Si Benny wala pa. Sige, I will tell him. So I just called the guy from the motorbike and he sent me all his spare keys that he has, like 7. And he said if none of these keys will work, then we'll have a problem. Okay, now I'm ready. I will go to Tai Tai to pick up the keys. Hopefully one of them will fit in the bike. I will take Benny's bike. Probably it's about 1.5 hours or so. The weather is again beautiful. And yeah, see you there in Tai Tai. So I just arrived. This way. So I just arrived here at the terminal, Bilandog. So I still have about 40 minutes. I will just wait here until my van will arrive. So I just picked up the little parcel with 7 keys in it, and now we'll head back to our bike. It will take me around 2 hours. I'm back here at Ada's lodging house, and it's so nice. I made this whole ride in about 45 minutes, which I think is not just my personal record, but maybe I'm the fastest human being ever to travel from Tai Tai to this place. Kind of funny. So now I'm pick up my things here, and the bike is maybe half an hour out. Benny already hitchhiked there, and then we'll try if the keys will fit. Bye bye, Kuya Domingo. This is your key. Mabalik ba kami? Mabalik pa kami? Balik? Sige, balik. Bye bye. So now with a bike, the next village. I will miss this area so much. I think just the people that we met, they are so kind and lovely. And this area here, it's so untouched and natural and so beautiful. I think I'm really gonna shed some tears that we have to leave here. kind of funny. I'm looking now for my friend Benny. He apparently hitchhiked here, and the people at the shop where the motorbike is, they told me that he went to the beach because we need to test if the keys are working, and then we need to go back. So this is the next adventure. Where is Benny? Last look again at these beautiful white beaches here. It's just totally amazing. So great. Benny! Benny! Magandang hapon po. So I couldn't find Benny at the beach. You saw the beach is very wide, I couldn't see him. So I think if I don't want to walk everything, I just have to wait. I just found him. Hey bro. Okay.
Finally!
Yeah,
We are together here with some friends.
yeah, you also together.
Yeah, there you go.
Hello!
Hello. So these are the new friends, and actually
Yeah.
they have a place close to our place in Manila, where we
Yeah.
used to live in Diliman,
Yeah, Diliman.
which is kind of funny.
Yes.
And they actually did a very amazing thing. They made the key
Direct.
obsolete. They directed the
The start.
start. So actually, even without key, we are able to start now. But I think this is our little miracle today. Look at this. Yay! It will work.
Look at that.
And it
There you
opens
go.
up. Amazing. So we're able to go home again.
It's a miracle.
This is our small miracle today. What's your name again?
I'm Joel.
Hello, Kuya
Yeah,
Joe.
Joel.
Yes, I'm Michael.
Hello, Kuya Michael. Ate.
Floor.
Hello, Ate Jane. And then there are the mga bata. Okay, sa loob pa.
Oh, Sam. There you go.
There we go. Yay, galing. Look at this. This is so nice.
Wow.
It is afternoon already, and we still have a few hours to go. So with heavy hearts, we started our journey towards Puerto Princesa. Hey guys, we're standing here on the side of the road. I would say road. It's kind of Filipino. Anyway, we're standing here on the side of the road, and we're making a short break because our butts are hurting. We are approximately 80 kilometers out of Puerto Princesa, so maybe 1.5 hours and we are there. Well, more like 2.5 hours. Hey guys, it's 10 p.m. We had a very long day, a long ride with the bike. Everything went well, everything was good, but we arrived here kind of late, totally tired. Take a shower now, going to bed, and I will tell you a little bit about the day tomorrow.
The next morning.
Good morning. How do you feel?
Sad.
It is sad. We are looking here at the wonderful sunshine, palm trees, and we remember beaches, a nice journey, nice adventures, mountains. And we know that a few hours from now we will be where?
In Manila. In the traffic.
Ooh, in the wonderful fresh air of Manila. Well, the time was great, and we are packed and we are ready to leave this place. Our host, Natalie, to go to bring back the motorbikes to their owner, and hopefully we won't expect any additional charges. And hello, good morning. And after this, we are ready to go to the airport. So, do you have something else to say? No. We have a lack of words right now. This was our host's home, where we stayed. And these are our bikes. And this is Benny. So we're standing here in front of the shop where we are supposed to deliver our bikes. And the shop is closed. So now I'm gonna call the... Hello. Now I'm gonna call the owner of the bike. Apparently they also want to rent a bike here. Yes, we are here at the Gyps motor store, but it's nobody here. We have to be at the airport at 11. Thank you. So this was easy. We just returned our bikes. He returned the deposit. We don't have to pay any extra. So again, rent a bike, good service, a good job. Given the fact that we'll come back, we'll go back to this shop. Oh, he forgot his jacket. There we are. We are 12. There we are. I don't want to leave here actually.
Oh, me neither.
Another very interesting thing happened. We met these guys and they bought some land here. And they told me that there is even a master plan already that will convert this area here into a touristy area. And it will take about maximum of 5 years. That's what the plan is saying. So if you want to come here in this state where it's still not crowded at all, very native, you should do this during the next 5 years, as early as possible, because after this there will be more hotels here, there will be more resorts, there will be more infrastructure, and this is nice, so don't misunderstand me. It's good for this area, it will bring some money here, it is good for the people, but of course the area will lose part of its charm, part of its magic, so to speak.